Welcome to Babby John's The Joy of Decorating. How to make your home look expensive. First off, scale up. Scale up your vases, paintings, throw pillows, and lamps. Don't use those tiny pillows and tiny paintings and small vases. Get them as large as you can afford, and it gives you a more expensive and stylish home. Window treatments. Double the curtains, hang them high, full length from top to bottom, as close as you can get them to your ceiling. It will make those seem bigger and your room seem larger. So don't skimp on the curtains. Linen and velvet adds to the overall luxury. Use down-filled inserts for your cushions rather than polyester. And add the inserts that are one size larger. So if you're trying to fill a 24 by 24 cushion or throw pillow, use a 26 by 26 inserts. It makes it fluffier and more luxurious. Add luxury through marble, antique gold, leather, and real wood. Every home needs a bit of cozy, adding a fresh blanket, a beautiful throw pillow. Make an ambient so that you can feel comfortable and pampered in your own home. Purchasing beautiful art for your home is a wise financial move. In addition to improving the aesthetics of your living area, it has the potential to increase in value over time. Warmth, comfort, and elegance are added by combining soft textures such as satin, curtains, velvet furniture, and plush rugs. However, rough textures like hewn wood gives off an organic, earthy vibe. One of the simplest ways to establish a focal point in any room is with a feature wall. It immediately grabs attention and makes a striking feature. Replicate a look you love. Make use of rich wallpapers, paints, textures, and wall treatments. Select furniture that makes a statement. Use premium fabrics while furnishing your home. For grandeur, use period lighting. Use vintage things to adorn your home. Don't forget to upgrade your bedding. By just changing the bedding, it immediately gives your room a luxurious look and feel. Using the best down inserts for your pillows not only looks luxurious, but also encourages a good night's sleep. Don't forget to decorate your rooms with flowers. A space can be made more cheerful by the earthy vibe that flowers provide. They give a space vitality. Since white and beige are neutrals and sophisticated colors, they might be simple choices for your walls. It can also significantly alter the general appearance of any room. Be mindful of how your color impacts your emotions and make an informed decision. Area rugs are a fantastic way to give a space some color and vitality, while also giving it a more upscale appearance. It is crucial to select an area rug that is the appropriate size for the space. It shouldn't be either too big or too small. Another way to make your home look expensive is to upgrade your hardware. Investing in new hardware is a quick and affordable method to change the appearance of your bathroom or kitchen. Consider replacing the towel bar with matching door and drawer knobs, including molding. With some molding, you can improve the appearance of your uninteresting basic walls. Use crown molding for an upscale appearance or thin strips for a picture framing effect. Another thing, and probably the most important, is to avoid clutter. There is nothing expensive looking about clutter. To help you manage and hide your clutter, start by getting rid of items you no longer need or want. Then search for stylish baskets and containers to maintain all your clutter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.